In this podcast episode, Dr. Mindy Pelz, a renowned expert in women's health and author of Eat Like a Girl, delves into the complexities of weight loss, hormonal balance, and the impact of food choices on overall health. She addresses common struggles faced by women, particularly during menopause, and offers insights into how to navigate the often confusing world of nutrition. Dr. Pelz emphasizes the importance of reading food labels, particularly when it comes to seemingly healthy options like yogurt. She critiques popular brands, such as Yoplait, highlighting that many products marketed as healthy are laden with sugar and other harmful ingredients. Instead of focusing solely on calorie counts, she urges listeners to examine the ingredient list, noting that the first few ingredients are the most significant. For instance, if sugar appears before real fruit in a yogurt, it indicates that the product is not as healthy as it seems. The conversation shifts to the hormonal changes women experience, especially during menopause. Dr. Pelz explains how these changes can lead to weight gain, infertility, and conditions like PCOS. She stresses that understanding the relationship between food and hormones is crucial for making informed dietary choices. For example, she discusses the importance of cholesterol for hormone production and how the body's natural processes can be disrupted by poor dietary choices. Dr. Pelz highlights the dangers of processed foods, particularly those containing trans fats and seed oils. She explains that these ingredients can lead to chronic diseases and hormonal imbalances. The discussion touches on the concept of obesogens, chemicals that can reprogram the body to store fat instead of burning it. This is particularly concerning for women who are trying to lose weight but find themselves gaining instead, often due to the hidden chemicals in processed foods. Throughout the episode, Dr. Pelz advocates for a diet rich in whole, organic foods. She encourages listeners to shop at farmers markets and choose foods with minimal ingredients. The conversation emphasizes the benefits of consuming foods that are nutrient-dense and free from harmful additives. For instance, she suggests opting for wild-caught fish over farmed varieties and choosing organic produce to avoid pesticides and other chemicals. Dr. Pelz introduces the concept of intermittent fasting, explaining how it can be beneficial for weight loss and hormonal balance. She advises listeners to eat only during daylight hours, as eating at night can lead to increased insulin resistance. By structuring eating windows, individuals can optimize their metabolism and energy levels. Dr. Pelz shares her personal routine, which includes coffee with MCT oil in the morning and a nutrient-rich salad for lunch, emphasizing the importance of protein and fiber in meals. A significant part of the discussion revolves around the psychological aspects of eating. Dr. Pelz encourages women to cultivate a positive relationship with food, emphasizing that guilt and shame can lead to unhealthy eating patterns. She advocates for enjoying food without restrictions, suggesting that indulging in treats occasionally can be part of a balanced lifestyle. The key is to be mindful and aware of how different foods make one feel, rather than adhering to strict dietary rules. In scenarios where time is limited, Dr. Pelz provides practical advice for making healthier choices at fast food restaurants. She suggests opting for salads or burgers without buns, and if fries are desired, choosing establishments that use healthier oils. For families on the go, she recommends packing nutritious snacks like fruits, cheese, and raw nuts to keep hunger at bay without resorting to unhealthy options. The episode also addresses the contentious topic of seed oils. Dr. Pelz firmly believes that these oils are inflammatory and detrimental to health. She encourages listeners to be cautious about their consumption and to prioritize healthier fats, such as those found in avocados and olive oil. The discussion highlights the need for individuals to critically evaluate the information they receive about nutrition and to consider how it aligns with their personal experiences.